Now I am going to teach 11th standard physics lesson 2 conduct number 2.3.3 addition of two vectors. So generally two vectors cannot be added by ordinary algebra method. So two vectors can be added by use some specialized method that is called addition of vectors. So two methods are triangular law of addition and parallelogram laws of addition. So first one, triangle law of addition. Consider two vector A vector, B vector. The arrow mark represent vector symbol. The arrow head, the dot tail. So two vectors A vector and B vector. The two vector acting two sides of the triangle, that is OP equal to A vector, PQ equal to B vector. A vector, B vector act two sides of the triangle. The resultant vector R is the third side of the triangle, that is taken opposite to the triangle. So R vector equal to A vector plus B vector. So by triangle of addition, OQ equal to OP plus PQ. From the diagram, OP equal to A vector, PQ equal to B vector, OQ equal to R vector. So R vector is equal to A vector plus B vector. Consider two vector A vector and B vector acting two sides of the triangle. So here head of the one vector, that is head of the A vector, is added to the tail of the B vector. Then head of the R vector is added to the tail of the B vector. It's making an angle theta. So extend BN perpendicular to ON. Magnitude of resultant vectors. Right angle triangle ABN. Cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos theta equal to adjacent side AN, hypotenuse B. So AN equal to B cos theta. Then sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So theta opposite side BN, hypotenuse AB. So BN by B. So B sin theta equal to BN. From the diagram, triangle OBN, OB square is equal to ON square plus NB square. But ON can be split into two parts. First one OA, then second one ON. So sum of OA plus AN is equal to ON. So substitute here, OB square is equal to ON is equal to OA plus AN whole square plus NB square. From the diagram, OA equal to A vector, AN equal to B cos theta, NB equal to B sin theta, OP equal to R. So R square is equal to A plus B cos theta whole square plus B sin theta whole square. So expand A plus B cos theta whole square into A plus B whole square method. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So apply the formula here. R square is equal to A square plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta plus squaring inside B square sin square theta. So R square is equal to A square. From this equation, B square common, so taking outside B square bracket, here cos square sin theta plus A sin square sin theta plus 2AB cos theta. So R equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. From that equation, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So squaring on both sides r equal to square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. This is the resultant of two vectors. Resultant of addition of two vectors. Direction of resultant vectors. From the diagram, triangle OPN, tan alpha equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So tan alpha equal to opposite side BN, adjacent side ON. Tan alpha equal to opposite side BN equal to B sin theta, ON equal to OA plus AN. So OA equal to A vector, AN equal to B cos theta. So tan alpha equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. So alpha equal to tan inverse of B sin theta by A plus B cos theta.